I have been doing a lot of riding in city traffic conditions and a couple of short rides lately. I decided to switch from my Interceptor 650, which I have been driving since 2 years, to Bullet 500 to experience the feel of it. In this video, I would like to give my honest review on Bullet 500 and my experience switching from Interceptor 650. Welcome to RAV Vlogs. This bike, with no doubt, is having a vintage legendary style and having its own identity. Handcrafted tank with aristocratic Royal Enfield badge. This is something which make this bike a real appeal to your eyes. The ride comfort is excellent. It's having a long traditional seat which is very comfortable for the rider as well as the pillion, with a good grab rail and which is very well designed. Another part which add to its vintage look is the Tiger eye lamps. With very good power and torque kicking in very early, it is easy to reach 60 to 80 kilometers in no time. With the stock handlebar, the riding position is very much upright, and this adds to the comfort level of the rider. The suspension is really good. I must admit that it is better than Interceptor 650. The front suspension adds an aesthetic look to this vintage model, and it works at its best. Bullet 500 has its own presence in the market, and it caters to a very niche segment. I strongly believe that there are no bad bikes. Each bike is designed and developed to meet certain specifications and to meet certain requirements. I would like to point out few things which I feel is lacking in this bike. Those are not bad points, but I feel things would have, this machine could have been a better one if these points are incorporated. Firstly, I would like to say the braking is not that great, and because of this braking inefficiency, this is leading to less confidence level at higher speeds. The crisp throttle response is missing. The chrome plating or the coating, the quality of it is very poor. And this bike is just 2 years old, and I could see that most of the chrome parts are rusted or it is kind of spoiled. The next point which I would like to highlight is the vibration. Yes, most of us are aware of this. Bullet, Royal Enfield Bullet is equal to vibration. Post 80 kilometers speed, the entire bike starts vibrating. Each and every single part of this bike vibrates, and the vibration reaches to that extent you will not be able to see anything in your mirror, and the bike hits falls neutral very frequently. This I heard from a couple of my friends who are owning this bike.